Welcome to the daily message on this Palm Sunday of the Lord's Passion for the year 2021. We're all familiar with the gospel story of Palm Sunday, of Jesus' entry into Jerusalem. What may not be so obvious is the great irony that is present in this Palm Sunday gospel. Just as Jesus was entering Jerusalem from the east, so about the same time, not probably on exactly the same day or time, but at that same time, Pilate would have been entering Jerusalem from the west. He would have been coming to Jerusalem from Caesarea, where he spent most of his time. He would have been coming to Jerusalem to create a presence. He would have come with soldiers to create a presence in Jerusalem during Passover, to make sure that there was not social unrest and violence. Notice that Jesus rides on a donkey. That is the traditional symbol at that time of someone who comes to make peace. Pilate, on the other hand, would have entered Jerusalem either on a horse or in a chariot. The horse is a symbol of royalty. The chariot is a symbol of war. Notice the people who are holding palm branches, smiling and proclaiming Hosanna to Jesus, the King. Those are similar words would have been spoken to Pilate, but they would have been prearranged in order to honor Pilate. The expressions of honor would not have been spontaneous. People would have been taken to the parade route in order to pay their homage to Pilate. And so the irony here is that we have Jesus, who is about to be crucified, who is bringing us something radically new. The message that God's victory is achieved through peace, as opposed to Pilate's entry into Jerusalem and Roman victory. Roman victory is achieved through war and violence. Today, let us give praise. Let us say Hosanna to our King, Jesus, who is the Prince of Peace.